showing you how to name specific cells in Excel. And to do that, we're going to start with this one right here. Right now, the only thing that Excel recognizes this cell as is cell A2. And so to change that, we're going to right click. We're going to click Define Name. And in this window, we are going to, let's say, since this is tree 1 and it's recorded at 30 feet, we will name this cell height tree 1. And this range here, it already had it set for us, but I'll just do that again and then click OK. And so it doesn't look like much has changed, but if you look up here, instead of A2, it actually now says height tree 1, which is what we have just named this cell. And so I'll do that again for you with tree 2, with the height of tree 2, excuse me. So right click, define name, and we will say height tree 2. And the range will be in cell B2 this time. Click OK. And so again, you can see that instead of B2, it is now height tree 2. And I'll do that one more time for you. So right click, define name, height tree 3. The range is already selected for us. We'll click OK. And again, instead of C3, it is now named height underscore tree 3. And so that is how you define names in Excel, or how you name specific cells in Excel. And so hopefully that was helpful. Please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you for listening.